Assalamu alaikum, dear students of 5th grade. I am again here with the same topic of EVS which we were discussing a day before yesterday. Dear students, do you remember? Yes, it was about water. We shared a few facts of water with you. Now we all know that water is colorless and water is tasteless and water is odorless. Besides, water has three forms: solid, liquid and gas. See the example of solid. It is ice here. It is an example of solid. And the example of liquid, as you know, it is water. It is the example of liquid. Similarly, the example of the gas is vapor. Just watch it. These are the vapors. As you know that this water gets converted into water vapor. And dear students, do you know what is this process called? Well, let us first watch this. See, ये जो पानी लिक्विड स्टेट में है और लिक्विड स्टेट से ये गैस स्टेट में तब्दील हो रहा है, यानी वेपर स्टेट में भाप की शक्ल इख्तियार कर रहा है, यानी गैस इख्तियार करके ये ऊपर को उड़ रहा है. तो इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, यानी जो हीट है, ये जो हीट है इसकी वजह से पानी जो है ये गैस की शक्ल इख्तियार कर रहा है. और डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस प्रोसेस in which water changes from liquid to gas or vapor due to increase in temperature, it is called evaporation. Evaporation means the process by which water changes from liquid to gas and due to increase in temperature. Dear students, let us see some substances dissolve easily in water and some substances do not dissolve in water. As you know, these are the pebbles. See, मैंने ये पेबल्स, ये कंकर पानी में डाल दिए, लेकिन ये डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रहे हैं, ये पानी में हल नहीं होते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इनको निकाल के अब हम ट्राई करेंगे कुछ और सब्सटेंस इसमें डालने की. देखिए, ये साल्ट है. अब इस साल्ट को हम इस पानी में डाल रहे हैं. इसको स्टिर करना है, घोलना है. आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स you won't find the traces of the salt, लेकिन you can only taste it. Its taste will be salty, लेकिन salt आपको नजर नहीं आएगा. तो कहने का मतलब यह है कि some substances dissolve easily in water. For example, the salt is here. Sugar is also जो पानी में हल होता है. And these substances which dissolve easily in water, they are called hydrophilic substances. Remember this word, hydrophilic substances. On the other hand, we have seen that these pebbles do not dissolve in water. There are many other substances which do not dissolve in water, and these for example, oil is there, sand is there, and many other things are the substances which do not dissolve in water. अभी इस टॉपिक के कुछ सब टॉपिक्स पेंडिंग है. We will also touch those inshallah in the coming days. टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज।